hasil kerja kami dari Ispiage. Zaz. Assalamualaikum korang. Dah selamat petang. Saya Syahilmi Asli dari company Ispiage. Sekarang kita baru settle buat awning dekat Shah Alam Section 23. Nama awning ni adalah sea roof dan strip ceiling. Tak apa tunggu masa lama geng. Jom saya review dekat korang hasil kerja kami dari Ispiage. Zaz.
I got big dreams, I'ma do big things. Yeah, you see me on the big screen, looking so clean. I don't move slow, I move fast, right past anybody taking life for granted, yeah, that's too bad. I'd be grateful for everything that I have. You only got this life, you don't get it back. Make the most of it, become the best that I can. Everybody look at me, I got a plan. You gotta work hard, play hard, do it from the start. Cause how you do anything is everything is art. Stay consistent and do it every day. Don't let fatigue get in your way. Cause 10% of something is better than nothing. You better do something if you wanna be something. I can feel my stomach rumbling, I'm hungry. Big things coming, I ain't bluffing.
Macam mana geng? Berminat tak? Kalau berminat, DM kita sekarang. Okay? Bye.